ready. So see how golden brown it looks, and we didn't add any food color or anything. It's just onion and garlic and ginger. This is what I do. This is what I do. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Sawa Cheng, and today we are going to cook pilau. This is what we need. We need 2 onions. We need ginger, and we need a garlic. And we need pilau masala. I'm not going to use too many spices. Also, we need chili, but I'm going to use just a little bit. There are people who don't love chili, so I'm going to put just a tiny bit of it. And we have our rice and meat. So let's cook. So what you need, I'm going to chop off my ginger and my garlic into my water. Yes, and then I'll crush them so that I can make a paste like I'm mixing them, the garlic and the ginger together. Yeah. Kwa hivyo usinyime kitunguu chako mafuta because it's pilau. We need a lot of oil and a lot of onions. So don't put too little oil because chakula yako itakuwa dry, and kitunguu pia ni muhimu sana kwa pilau. Kitunguu chako kiwe golden brown so that you can add other spices pole. For me today, I'm just gonna add ginger and garlic and chili, just a pinch of chili. We are adding our paste. We also wait for it to turn golden. Our piece of meat, As you can see, our onions and our garlic and ginger are golden brown. We now add our meat. Iache iive. And you should pre-boil your meat. Awake it direct. We wait for some few minutes for the meat to soak in the oil and the juices from the garlic and the ginger and the onion. At this stage, we add chili. I said a pinch because there are people who don't like chili. You can see. Meanwhile, I was washing my rice, so it's washed. Those who don't wash your rice, I don't know what happens, but I wash mine. We are going to add our pilau masala, our spice. You can see our kitunguu is totally golden brown by almost turning black, but that is what gives the rice the color of the pilau. Unafunikia kwa dakika kidogo, tena tutaweka our rice kwenye mix ya kitunguu na garlic na nyama. Make sure you measure your rice well so that you cannot put too much water. Changanya. You can see our mix is bringing out the brown color. Then add your water according to the number of cups of rice that you measured. Usiweke kiwango kingi cha maji, just put enough water. Kuna wale wanapima na macho, lakini mimi napima kwenye kikombe. Simplest procedure you can ever have for pilau. If you want to add the injeras and the other spices, you can in the first stage, but for me I don't love the spices because but if you want to add, you can add. This is my procedure. Our pilau is ready. So see how golden brown it looks, and we didn't add any food color or anything. It's just onion and garlic and ginger. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, share, comment, tell guys about my channel, and share my videos with your friends too. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Ciao.